This video will show you how to replace the upper glove box latch on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be located along your passenger side of your dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace this, we have to make our way along the inboard side. Now once you have it open, we're looking up along the inner panel here. You're going to find that you have 4 Phillips head mounting screws holding this in place. 2 of them are kind of hidden up along the inner ridge. Now we can make our way to the next 2. We're holding our panel. Can lower this down. With that out of the way, we have a clear access to the inboard side of our latch. We have 4 more mounting screws here. Take hold of that, we'll pull it down and out of place. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. Now it's time for installation of the upper glove box latch. We're going to take this, we'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. Once you slide it up towards the glove box, you should find that it aligns with all of your mounting ports. We'll press this towards, making sure that it is in place, and start in each one of our mounting bolts. As far as these mounting bolts are concerned, all of them will be the shorter of the mounting bolts. Once you have all of them started in, go ahead and snug them up. Let's double check, make sure that's secured in place. Prior to installing the inner panel, let's make sure that this functions as it should. Perfect. We know it works. Let's get the panel in place now. We're pressing this towards the upper glove box lid. Now we can start in our mounting hardware. As for this hardware, you're going to find that you have 2 longer bolts. Those 2 longer bolts will be the inboard side. The shorter bolts are for the outboard side. Let's start those in first. Now for these inboard bolts, I'm just going to start my bolt directly onto my Phillips head. Makes it a little easier to start these in. They're all started in, let's snug them up. Let's go ahead and check the functionality one last time here. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.